There are a few things that I wish I could do, like to fly. But yeah, I wish I could weld, and I wish I could paint a car. But guess what, guys? In this video, I'm gonna learn to paint, and we're gonna paint this car. I'm gonna paint this car, so stick around. Guys, we are at Automotive Art. From you can see, we're at Automotive Art, and we're going to learn the art of painting a car today. So we're going to meet the team, and we're going to explain a little bit more of what's going on.
So currently Nico is using the spectrometer to get the color of the vehicles. What it does, it scans the actual color on top of the substrate, which is the metal, right? So from yeah,
Yes, man.
Eh?
we do.
Really?
Any color at all you want, we can match it.
Really? Look here. Come here. Let's show you something.
So as I was saying, the spectrometer scans the actual color. So no matter how many layers on the vehicle, it will scan the color that you want to get, right? So he's using it. So maybe give him 2 minutes and he should be able to give you a color.
All right, so this right here is our spectrum machine, right? As Peter just mentioned, we use it to scan the color of the vehicle, which we are going to then put onto the software on the inside, and with that we'll get the correct color matching technology.
All right, in the lab. The lab we're there now. Okay, I mix everybody color for them, man. Hey guys, we're in the lab. We'll see how they mix the color. Hopefully, we can even pour a little bit of the black in it.
Alright, so pretty much the initial stage, Nico did actually scan the color, so especially vehicles with normal color code, we use our spectrometer, as I mentioned, and scan the color. So based on that now, we just input the information that was scanned into our Adam 5, and this is our program that is used now to capture all information and now determine the color we're supposed to use. So what we do, we scan the color. Now we enter the information because it's already set in the spectrometer, and now we're going to set that information into the Adam 5 device. So we actually scan your color and rename it Asafa, and then now we're going to go, because your color is a metallic color, which is a motor base that you also have to apply cure over it. So we input the necessary information to generate a search. So now the computer actually is searching now to find the right match that will work for your vehicle and color. Because it's going through a series of like millions of different shades and different color codes that now it actually going through the scan to determine now based on what we scan, they say what is the right result, what we can use to mix back that color.
So, and use the paper, the book.
The book?
The book,
So, the book now, this actually take out that aspect of
Okay.
because this now, once you scan it, it will tell you what to use and exactly the percentage you're supposed to use. So this is an upgrade from the book.
From the book,
We still have it over there.
Still have the charts.
We still have the charts.
Okay.
We have persons come in now and they want to choose a color.
Yeah. The chart will help with that.
Show them the chart.
Okay.
But where this is concerned, we work with this one. It is now, these are the ones that come up. With the information. So now based on this now, this is telling us all the things that we can use in order to mix the color, the different tints that combine and then get the end result.
So it's telling you like how much to add into whatever and
Right.
Yeah, okay.
So that information there is the paint that you see on the mixing pump over there.
Yeah.
So,
So if you mix it and it look a little off, you probably show a little more black or a little more
Tone it.
tone it
right,
up.
so one of the advantage with this as well is that seeing that is a complete spraying you're doing. So basically whatever we're doing now and whatever we generate, so you're able to get a formula, get a code.
Yeah.
So in the event that you get a scratch or anything in one color, you can always come back and get the color for it. So all we do now, we're just going to send this color code formula to our main mixing software that we use, which is our Motor Mix Plus software. So this is what. So now, say all information is now input or set. So we're just putting out the quantity, and then we can mix from there.
Okay, so they're gonna mix a little bit of color first, just to make sure that I'm happy with the color, and then we can go and mix the bigger batch. The team is actually, doing some inspection, making sure that, they see every little, fault, every little nicks, every little dent, because having the car over the years, some little imperfection is going to be there, maybe the kids probably throw a little stone, maybe somebody drive past and kind of scratch it, or like the dent on the side where the shelf turn over and touch, so, and the little dent on the back. So we're going to sort out all of those first, and then the entire team is going to work on this car so we can finish it as quickly as possible and make it look super shiny, guys. We have some really great products that they're going to use on this car, and we're going to show you those very shortly. But now I think now they're mixing the paint, so we're going to check that out.
So afternoon again, I'm going to run through some products just so you can get to see it. So I'll start from our clears. We'll have the HSX clear. It's a high solid clear. It is very good. It has ultraviolet protection. It has an anti-sag, anti-run feature. So this would go along with its own hardener. So the hardener is right here. So you buy this and this together, and that's how the system works. We'll have an ultra high solid clear as well. So ultra high solid, this is our premium clear. It gives you premium. So premium, nothing less than premium for your car. So this system, it gives you superior shine. It has an anti-scratch feature. So when it goes on a vehicle, if you have a little scuff, the clear actually heals itself. Right, so that is the main feature of this clear. So show car settings. Right. After that, I'm going to show you our primers. We have direct to metal high solid primer. We have a express primer, which can be used in regular refinishing of vehicles. But for your vehicle, what you've decided to go with is the epoxy primer. For the epoxy primer. Alright, so it's a premium product again. Yeah. So how it works is that it basically creates a barrier that is anti-corrosion. So whereas because the vehicle is not going to be driven every day, so that it has to deal with the elements, the rain, the cool, and then the rain again. What happened with that primer, or with this primer, is that it provides anti-corrosion properties. So your vehicle should not rust with this on it. I can give some guarantee. This primer works with its own hardener, right? We're going to use our multi-soft, which is another premium body filler that is easy to work with. It's easy to sand, as well as we're going to be using Euro Gold as the body filler, right? So if there is any part of the vehicle that will need body filler, this is what we'll be using. So this is body filler, and this is a finishing body filler. So stuff like small areas to pick out, any little sink or ding, this is what you can use to sort that out. So we're going to go into the paint room now, where we'll be mixing your paint. The series is called Motor Base.
Okay, cool. Mixology. Yeah, the
You have the color?
mixologist.
So this is the mixologist for today.
I know my color this.
Is his color now?
You guys know when I want to mix my color, you know, so the lady have to mix up the color for me, huh? No man mix me. Mixologist kind of shy to talk to.
Alright, so
I have a job for
the beer man.
a second.
Yeah. So basically what she's doing now, she's pouring in her bases. As you can see, she's pouring in the binder, which is the 8087. If you look on the screen, she's putting in 47.9 grams.
So
Then
then you send the small one first, the tester pretty much.
Yes.
Okay.
Flap additive, 8089. 27.9 grams she's adding in. That's to enhance the flap, to make the color look clean and nice. .94, that's the bright metallic. That's what give it that nice metallic finish, along with the slight dark green shade. So just mixed in a half pint to do testing. Now she's adding in, what's this? That's 8056, that's the blue-green.
What?
Blue-green.
Blue-green?
Yes, that's responsible for the shade of the color. So the silver give it the
So
metallic
that's
finish.
That's this one?
Yes,
Okay.
this one right here, blue-green. And you the next one? Right here. Shake already? No. Alright. So we're shaking the base so she can get some more to throw in the paint. Then we're gonna do a change of base. So we'll take it and then we'll change it.
That green look good, man. I can't use this. That green they look rich. How much
This is-
color you think you're going to take to paint my car?
For your car, you're looking at about, at least about 3 quarts maximum, maybe 2.5. So it all depends. Some of the area have to base them up. Once we work, we scuff it down and we see if there's any rust underneath some areas. We just have to just glaze out those areas. Clean the rust, glaze the area, and then we apply the primer. For the primer spots is where we use most of the colors. We're gonna just base those areas up before we put on the complete base coat.
Okay, cool.
And then after the base coat, we apply the clear. So it's gonna take about 3 quarts. The green enhances the color and the final finish. And she's almost finished. Now she's gonna close the pan, agitate, and then we can do then we can start the testing. Let's see. Cocktail formula step. Normally just give it a few minutes to agitate and then we can start the testing. She's a specialist. She's a paint doctor that's responsible for this paint.
Nice. Yeah, man. The color will look as beautiful as that.
Yes, definitely. Now we're on to the testing phase. As you can see, the paint doctor is ready to do some testing.
Oh, so this is the actual color?
Yes, this is the actual color. Alright, let's follow the doctor.
Listen, all the fun I do, I use it.
Whatever the doctor says. Alright, doctor. So here she's gonna, she's just looking to see the match.
Genius. You're genius, man.
She's applying it, to touch it to see how it comes out. Alright, so you can come to this, can come around to this angle. So that's the first touch.
Perfect, man.
And put some on this panel around here.
Man,
That's the doctor magic touch.
I know the last person who mixed this color was a lady, the lady.
Wow.
Maxine. Yeah,
Wow.
so, yeah, man.
You like that shade there?
That's a woman's touch.
You like the shade?
Yeah, man.
That's what I mix that.
Yeah, man, from one woman to another.
And it's complete. Perfect. Tina?
So we can call it a win, guys.
Yeah.
Call it a win. Color, we find the color. She mix it right now, but I taste the color, Alright, guys, so this is going to be the first of maybe a 5-part series. We're going to try and make it five series. So we're going to try to drop a video every week on this car and the process. So maybe this will take roughly 3 to 4 weeks to get done. So yeah, we're going to make it very interesting, and first I'm doing something like this, so I'm very excited to see how it's going to turn out, and really thanking Automotive Art for really jumping on this. I made one video, it's one video I made, and I call out Automotive Art, and they actually answered and said, yes, Asafa, we want to partner with you on this one. So yeah, I'm very excited about it, and very excited to see where it's going to take us. And stay tuned, guys. This is going to be very, very exciting, and I know you guys are going to like this one, because after this is done, we're going to do a reveal. And wait, I bite the sound loud. We're going to do a reveal on the car. We're going to invite you, my subscribers, to come and look at the car. So yeah, and check out Automotive Art as well. They have some really good products, and we're going to use only the best products on this car. And I'm most excited about that self-healing clear that they're going to put on the car, because my kids, they come outside with their toy cars and they'll run it on the car, and whenever you get those scratches, the self-healing, it will self-heal itself. Let's say that. So alright, guys, remember, drop a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Asafa Sub 10 Cars.